Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Energy sector. Energy is the most vital input for most of the production processes and consumption activities. Economic growth and demand for energy are correlated. Energy plays a crucial role in the economic development. Industrialization is solely dependent on adequate supply of energy. Role of energy in economic development. The most important traditional source of energy in rural India is firewood and cow dung cake. Coal is the primary source of energy in India. Solar energy is the most promising non-conventional source of energy in India. Generally, a 3% rise in industrial production is accompanied by a 2% increase in energy consumption. Thermal power contributes 72% of the total power generation. Hydel power contributes 15% of the power generation. Participants in energy sector in India. In India, both public sector and private sectors are allowed to participate in energy productions. The government and private sector work together in the area of power corporation, like the central government operates through National Thermal Power Corporation (NTPC), National Hydroelectric Power Corporation (NHPC), National Power Corporation of India Limited (NPCIL). State governments have their respective state electricity boards. Many private sector companies are also engaged in power generation. Problems of energy sector. Demand and supply imbalances in commercial fuels. Though demand for commercial fuels has increased at a modest rate of 5.5% per annum, domestic sources cannot support the demand. Less capacity utilization. Production capacity is denoted by plant load factor. PLF is equal to electricity generated by production capacity. In India, it varies from 55 to 60%, so good amount of energy goes waste. Losses of electricity board. Electricity is distributed by state electricity boards. At present, almost all electricity boards are running at huge losses, mostly due to almost free supply of power to agriculture. Transmission and distribution loss. The T&D losses are very high in many of the SCB systems. National average of this loss is about 23%, while in many states it is more. Imbalance in use pattern of commercial energy. Imbalance in the pattern of commercial energy between urban and rural areas. At present, urban areas use about 80% of the commercial energy, though their share in population is about 26%. Though over 80% of villages are electrified, a very small portion of rural households, around 10%, use electricity. Steps for removal of energy problems. Legislation and amendments. Amendments and Electricity Act giving focus on improved investment in power sector, fixing of power types on the basis of competition, efficiency, economic use of resources, commercial principles and consumers' interests. Encouragement of private sector participation. Private sector participation will help to increase more energy production. PLF improvement. Partnership in Excellent program has been launched to improve the generation of power, identify thermal stations with lower PLF and improve their efficiency. Capacity. Increase electricity generating capacity of the existing plants by development of ultra mega power plants with higher capacity. National grid. National grid is to be developed to augment total inter-regional transmission capacity. Alternative resources, encouraging the use of hydel and wind energy sources which do not rely on fossil fuels and avoid carbon emissions. Use of alternate resources for energy production will fulfill energy requirements to some extent. Transmission and distribution reforms. Reforms in T&D is undertaken to reduce transmission losses, improve the quality of power, reduce load shedding and reduce average response for attending breakdowns. ACB restructuring. Steps taken to improve operations of state electricity boards by way of rationalization of tariff structure and monitoring of cost structure. Rural electrification. Steps are being taken to provide access to electricity to all area including villages and hamlets. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.